Newton's first law of motion. Come on, let's get started. Isaac Newton is the name of a scientist who termed 3 laws of motion. In this video we will learn about his first law of motion. Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia, states that an object will remain at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion, unless acted upon by an external force. As Newton's first law of motion is also called as law of inertia, we will learn about inertia. Inertia is the tendency of an object to remain at rest or in motion unless an external force acts on it. There are 3 types of inertias: inertia of rest, inertia of direction, inertia of motion. Let's discuss about each of these in detail. When you're in a bus and the bus at rest suddenly starts, you will feel a sudden jerk.
Oh.
That's because the lower portion of your body, which is in contact with the bus, tries to stay in motion with the bus, and the upper part tries to stay in rest, making us fall back a bit. This is known as inertia of rest. The tendency of a body to resist any change in its state of rest is called inertia of rest. And as you continue your bus journey, the bus turns left and right. When the bus turns, your body tilts in the opposite direction of the turn due to inertia of direction. The tendency of a body or object to oppose any change in the direction of its motion is called inertia of direction. When the moving bus suddenly stops, you will fall forward due to inertia of motion.
Oh.
That's because the lower portion of our body, which is in contact with the bus, comes to rest, while the upper part tries to retain its state of motion, making us fall forward. This is inertia of motion. Inertia of motion is a tendency of a body to resist a change in its state of uniform motion. Now you have learnt about Newton's first law of motion. In the next video we will discuss Newton's second law of motion.